You deployed a workload to your GKE cluster by running the command kubectl apply -f app.yaml. You also enable a load balancer service to expose the deployment by running kubectl apply -f service.yaml. Your pods are struggling due to increased load. So you decide to enable horizontal pod autoscaler by running kubectl autoscale deployment. You notice the autoscaler has launched several new pods, but new pods have failed with the message insufficient CPU. What should you do to resolve the issue? So here the issue is autoscaler has launched several new pods, but new pod failed with the message insufficient CPU. Insufficient CPU is the issue. So what should we do to resolve this issue? The answer is gcloud container clusters resize. This will add more node pool. Your organization is planning to deploy a Python web application to Google Cloud. The web application uses a custom Linux distribution and you want to minimize rework. The web application underpins an important website that is accessible to the customers globally. You have been asked to design a solution that scales to meet the demand. What would you recommend to fulfill this requirement? The answer is HTTPS load balancer and along with managed instance group on Compute Engine. Next question. The application development team at your company wants to use biggest CIDR range possible for a VPC and has asked for your suggestion. Your operation team is averse to use any beta features. What would you suggest? We can suggest this CIDR range 10.0.0.0/8 CIDR range. We can suggest this. Okay. The next question. The storage cost for your application logs have far exceeded the project budget. The logs are currently being returned indefinitely in the cloud storage bucket MyApp GCP ACE logs. You have been asked to remove the logs older than 90 days from your cloud storage bucket. You want to optimize ongoing Google cloud storage spend. What should you do? Okay, here it mentioned we need to remove the logs older than 90 days. So there is a life cycle management rule we need to apply. So the answer is write a life cycle management rule in JSON and push it to the bucket with the gsutil lifecycle set config JSON file. This is the answer.